is weird. Oh, okay, it is working. That freaked me out. I fucking I couldn't connect the server, and I was like, oh man, no. Then it actually connected. Okay, this is still working. Yay. How are you guys doing? Are you guys all home? Everybody chilling at home? Taking a fucking holiday? I mean, it's pretty inconsequential to me because I mean, I've been doing this. I haven't really even left my house in a month, so this is not, this is not new. This is just normal. Speaker Honey remix. Oh, the remixes came out today, didn't they? Yeah. Yeah, just stay home for a minute and see what happens. Everything will be fine. Well, which is good, because you know what? If I have to be 100% honest, I wasn't quite 100% ready for Miami anyway. Because the system isn't finished. I was gonna do like I'm working on like OSC controls, so we can do like our use our touchscreen software for it. So I'm actually here just like working on that now. Well, I mean, we probably would have ran it anyway because it does kind of work, but now I have to implement touchscreen stuff. And then as I was doing that, I found a really interesting way to store variables in Touch Designer that I had no idea about. So now I'm just going back and then changing the way that that works. Because variables storing is the shit. I didn't even know. What's the latest on Miami Music Week? It's just, I guess they're postponing it. I mean, kind of have to. Oh. Yeah, look at that. It's storing an item now. Oh. Oh. These aren't storing. Imagine that. It's still storing BSOD logo. Wait a minute. But it's fetching a new one. What if I back out and then go back in? Ah, see? That's weird. Yeah, I mean, that's what everyone's like, oh man. Like, okay, if this was just me, like, if this whole, like, whatever is happening because of this, like, pandemic is just happening, dude, my business is going to get ruined. 100%. But so is everyone else's. So it's not like, it's just all relative. I mean, full disclosure here, I lost $6 million worth of shows overnight. Literally. uh, that's not a good feeling. That actually makes me wonder how I'm gonna pay rent or my mortgage. I don't have my business can't run without shows. You know what I mean? So, well, billions are being dumped. Well, but that doesn't matter. Good for you guys, because I know, but you know what? Like honestly, I'm not too worried about it because it's the same thing's happening for everyone else. It's not I'm not like alone in this. If it only happened to me and just me, yeah, I'd be fucking furious. I'd be absolutely suicidal. But like, or you know what I mean. Um, yeah, it's fine. It's they're not. I don't think anything will actually truly go down. Like the economy will take a fucking dip, but so will everything else. You know what I mean? So it's all very relative. And then there'll be an upswing, and then everything will be good again. Um, yeah, Music Week was postponed. Do you make more money on shows versus just releasing music? Yeah, absolutely. Touring and performing is integral. It's like if I didn't have that, I wouldn't be able to fund a lot of the things that I do. Yeah, but you're like, oh, the economy's going down. Well, yeah, dumbass. I don't. Of course it is. But you have to understand that the global economy is tanking, which puts everything at par. Like it's not enough to worry about the economy than it is to worry about a fucking virus that's running rampant right now that has a 3% fatality rate. Like I would kind of shift my attention to that and keep myself safe and quarantine, self-imposed quarantine. And yeah, more studio time, more work time, and people that work at tech companies can work from home and have more chill time, and people that work in retail and stuff like that get a lot of leave. So just chill. It's the panic that's gonna fucking fuck everything up. So just don't do that. Everyone's afraid of losing their business. Why wouldn't they be? There isn't a business in the world that isn't affected by this somehow. Not a single fucking one. Yes, okay. Well, you don't have to cite your fucking Google News feed in my chat. I like to think I'm pretty informed on shit that matters. So what? Because you don't get 20 emails a day saying otherwise anyway. Like what is different from this special spam versus the normal fucking spam? The supermarket business is in a pretty good space right now. No, they're not. They're in the worst space they could. They're actually probably one of the worst hit. Why does everybody think that if you go out, go to any Costco, it's empty as fuck. Yeah, but that doesn't mean they're doing well. That means that their stock is depleting and that stock is going to become worthless. Do you know how the stock works? I mean, like the actual market? You're starving a market completely. Like this toilet paper bullshit all of a sudden. What, you think toilet paper companies are doing so great? Okay, well that's great. Well, the toilet paper's net or fucking all its stocks and investment are all tied up in the same fucking market. So who's in the market for buying into toilet paper stock all of a sudden? You'd buy it. You wouldn't make any money off it. And no one's doing well. Nobody is doing well. When the Dow goes that far down, nobody wins. Nobody. Whatever. Let's all just dream that companies are profiting off this. Let's keep dreaming that. Next topic. It's just simple, basic as fuck economics. How's my day going? Well, it's alright, I guess. I mean, I spent pretty much from 9 a.m. till about 20 minutes ago on the phone. So, Meowingtons, he's good. He's just overweight. Actually, matter of fact, I just gotta check something really quick. I'm working on this stupid ass system still. Uh, where is? Oh, my mom and Kelly are in the living room watching movies, being weird, as people do. That's weird that it doesn't update it right here. Oh, there, now it does. See this active look variable that I keep changing. It's changing it now. So I don't give a shit about that. Okay. Where do I record Mousetrap Radio? I record it in the studio. Matter of fact, I gotta record another episode tomorrow. Or later tonight, maybe. I could record it right here. Right now. But no, I kinda can't. No, I can't. I'm not gonna use a headset mic. I'd have to go into the studio and do it and use like a normal microphone. It's because I use a good mic. Wait. Oh, it's so dark in here. Hang on, I gotta turn the lights on. What do you use to change the BPM? I use a BPM slider. I have to change something really quick. Actually, I'm gonna do it in live. Oh, jeez. Hang on one sec. Just gotta switch it to this really quick. I got some fucking email. Rob Marcus. Wait, what? Boop, boop, boop. One sec, I just gotta reply to this email. That's all it's been today. It's just fucking emailing. How do you get all this stuff? Oh, the coelacanth? Oh, it's one of my friends. Well, made it. Yeah, I know, right? Now would be a good time to work on the VR cube, eh? I know, like fuck, man. I was ahead of the times. Remember, I started that shit, and we just decided to kind of like slow down on that and work on the actual tour. Oh, dude, if I knew that, I wouldn't have spent all that time and money on a cube. I would have done it in VR. No, I wouldn't. It wouldn't have made money. People surprisingly aren't spending money right now. You don't understand. You could have the best product in the world out there right now, and people will not spend the money. Okay. Get us back here. Wait, why can't I... Does it just not work if I click on that? Oh, I see. I'm in the wrong fucking thing. Whoop. There we go. Fade to black. I don't know. Stop asking stupid questions. For real. If your school, if all the public schools in your fucking area are being shut down for the month of March, chances are they're not going to be having concerts. I'm just saying. Right? You think Disney wanted to shut down? Exactly. I rest my case. People are extra dumb today. I know. That's the angry part about all this. Oh, okay, so let me kick this up and make sure my clock still works. Should. Oops, no it doesn't. Oh, go figure. It's getting in the wrong OSC value. Ah. I'm so lazy. I keep going to fix this and I never fix it. Jesus Christ. So if I start changing these macros, this will work. Yep, see, there it goes. Ah, fuck. What the fuck is happening? 2B, yeah, this is inherently broken. I have to fix this. Hang on one sec. Let's make that a 1, shall we? I think that's all I need to do. Oh, except for these ones. I'll just leave caps lock on for now. Seizure mode, totally. There, that should fix it. So now my ramps are correct. So I got it there. Yay, we have sync. Everything still works. I did this thing that cycles through sublooks. Check this out, it's pretty cool. So this does this all on its own. Every like 4 bars or 8. Every 8 beats, the look will change. That's what this does. So if I have clips, like within clips, yeah, like an auto switch. Because I mean, honestly, who wants to sit there and babysit a visual system like all fucking day, you know? And then I even did like a manual offset, so you can like scrub. I did a lot of things in the last couple of days. It's like forwards or reverse. It's pretty cool. almost a full-fledged fucking piece of software that I can actually sell. Okay, but now we have to get back to reassigning variables. So this will change looks every 2 beats, which is pretty nuts. So I have up to like 200 sub-looks of this particular look. Yeah, well, that's kind of the idea. I want to be my own VJ. I don't want to hire any more VJs. VJs are like crybabies. All of them. I don't know any VJs that's not a... I don't know a single VJ that isn't a fucking crybaby. I'm not even exaggerating. Is there a VJ group on FB, Pure Gold? I'll bet. I'll bet you it's just a whole bunch of crybabies. Is it like just full of gold content? VJ mockery. Oh my god, I have to find it, but I don't have Facebook, so I can't. Dude, VJs are like the worst. Okay, this works. This works. Oh, you know what I forgot to add? Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. Like an active look. Like a active look tag. I guess I could put it in here. Like just a text thing. Like, because you see how this is rendering? Like every time you click an active look, it'll change the tag space, but fuck it, whatever. I just gotta make sure my... Yeah, I've definitely dealt with enough VJs in my life to know what kind of dumb questions they ask. My favorite excuse is when they leave, they're like, "Oh, I wanna go do a project that offers me more creative control." I'm like, "You're a VJ, you don't have any creative control. Just play the video." Yeah, I know, bro. Just hit the next clip. Exactly. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, there's a huge difference between what a VJ does and what like a visual creator does. You know, like a designer or a graphic designer, a content creator. It's pretty insane how the VJ compares themselves to like video artists or whatever. You know, it's like, stop it right now. You need to stop. So I don't need this op find anymore. Oh, I do. What is this base? Fuck, is this old content? I think it is. Yeah, this is bullshit. This can get shit canned. I don't even fucking need that. Holy shit, that's taking a long time to delete. Okay. Gosh, this is so fucking far away. Here we go. See, because now I'm using this thing. I'm using this operation called like dot fetch, and it's so much better. No, I'm not using a... Stop trying to make fetch happen. What are you talking about? Fetch happens all over the fucking place. I love it. I don't get the joke. Yeah, there's Titan RTXs in here. Where did you start with Touch Designer? Well, you start by downloading it. It's a movie quote. Don't Stop trying to make fetch happen is a movie quote. Like, what's the context of that? Now I have to fucking find it. No, this is actually a movie quote.
That is so fetch. Gretchen, stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
Yeah,
That
it's
is
happening.
So fetch.
Yeah, op.content.fetch. Really? Well, I've never seen that movie. It looks like a shitty movie, but I'm totally making fetch happen. I gotta send this clip to. Oh shit! I lost it. Hang on. I gotta send this to Malcolm. Uh, he's gonna fucking.
That is so fetch. Gretchen, stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
Related.
So if you're from Africa, why are you white?
Oh my god, Karen, you can't just ask people why they're white.
That movie looks stupid. I've never seen it. I'm rewatching The Office. It's so ridiculous. I love that show. I'm watching Mean Girls. Kelly's probably seen it 100 fucking times. Ooh, what the fuck? Hang on. Render. I don't think. Oh yeah, I do need this still. Cook. I see Python. Yeah, a lot of Python. Yeah, this is all Python. This just basically says for the table in this hop line, then make a set and then cook the set. You would find a GIF for that. You fucking weenie. Oh my god, Malcolm. Oh. Malcolm said, I need to use that in a meeting when we start fighting over if it's a good workflow. Visually cleaner. Where we were just like debating on whether I should store that variable in a table that you can see all the time or store it to this container, because that's what I'm doing here. I'm storing an item to the container. And apparently you can store all kinds of fucking data. I didn't even know you could do this with TD. I thought you had to like have a table up here and then populate the table with the variable. But apparently you don't even have to do that. You just fucking store it to the container using I'll show you the code. It's actually really simple. It's let's see if I can find one. Yeah, like in here. So when you hit, see the, because I used to do it this way. Do I used to do like a select, and then this populates the expression for the select, which is kind of a lot. But this just says, oh, store active look and the parent dot name, and that's it. And then it just stores that variable to the container, and I don't have to run all this other fucking code. Matter of fact, I'm even gonna fucking delete it because I don't even need it anymore. And matter of fact, I'm gonna fucking delete all this shit because I don't fucking need that anymore either. And then I'm gonna rebuild everything. Here we go. So it should still work. Yep. Still works. So now I have to do bidirectional OSC communication, which sucks. Not a big fan of that. Oh, you're funny. I'm just gonna run inside real quick. I'll be like maybe literally a minute. Um, my mom's leaving. I should go say goodbye. She doesn't know I'm in my other house. Yeah, go ahead. You can time me. I don't care. Actually, I'll probably be a little bit more in a minute. Just give me a minute. I'm just gonna go say bye. I'll be back. Alright, was it more than 2 minutes? Yeah, probably. 5 minutes and 41 seconds. Was it really? Holy shit. Way to waste all your time. Okay, here's my output. Okay. So, we are going to do op.content.op active look and then /parse / whatever that thing is value out. I think yeah, whatever. So that's what it'll look like. I just have to go dig out what it is. It's like something dumb. Animals, parse. Okay, so let's do this radio slice. Cube.custom pulse. Actually, I don't even need to do that. Custom pulse. I think I'm doing this right. Parse, custom pulse. How am I going to do this? String op dot content dot fetch active look. Why doesn't that work? Ooh. I need another string. No? Oh man, this is an ugly fucking string. Is active look a right? Fuck, how's that wrong? Is that actually right? I might be doing this wrong. Active look. Yeah, that's correct. I fucking hate syntax. Let me just at least do this. Let me just start doing these one at a time. Right. Okay, so this is pulling the correct value. I guess. Wait, what? What are you talking about? Must be a chop. Oh. Okay, so I have to actually make that a chop. That sucks. I thought I could be sneaky about it. Fuck. All right, more nodes. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna do it in here. So we'll do C underscore custom pulse. There we go. That should work. Make that up. Acid planet. What are you guys talking about? If If you or a loved one have been affected by syntax, you may be entitled to financial compensation. I wish. If I was entitled to financial compensation for every syntax error I've ever fucking made in Python, I would be a billionaire. I would literally be a billionaire. If I made 5 cents for every syntax fuck up. Tabs. I'm a tab guy. Less shit to delete when your indents are wrong. Tabs make the most sense. I don't know why they even allow for spaces. Okay, so we need to get to this variable dynamically now. So I need to insert something here to reference that stupid thing. Okay, so there's our value for our selector, right? So if I... Wait. Oh. Yeah, so if I go here and start moving this around, those are the correct variables. Tabs can be set to different amounts, and oh yeah, that's true. Every editor I've ever used, it's always done it pretty consistently. I mean, Tiga, like the DJ guy. Like the DJ? I'll wait. Yeah, like I don't know which Tiga we're referring to here. The DJ Turbo label. Yeah, I met him like maybe 13 years ago at Exit Festival in Serbia. Why? Not recently. I don't know. I don't really get out. Okay, let's do this really quick just so I could separate this. That should still do the same thing. Okay, so I think this is right. So why can't I go op dot content dot fetch active look? Oh, it works. Boom. Cool. So that's the... I wonder if I can get away with this. Yeah. And I might not even need this, actually. Because it is a string. Right? Nice. Look at that. I did it. Syntax works. Cool. So we have our custom pulse. Now the rest should be fucking easy. I just have to add chops to them. Am I in the city or somewhere else in the state? Oh, I think you're talking to me. I forgot. I only want people to talk to me in the chat. No cross communication, please. It's $5 extra. Okay, so I guess all I have to do is just I have to go into. Oh my god, this is such a pain in the ass. I have to go into my parameters for everything, and then I have to assign a null value. Okay, so is this all gonna be good? Like, you can name something that, and it'll still work, right? Yeah. All right. Okay, so I just have to do this now. Fuck, this is gonna be annoying, but whatever. At least I get my feedback working. Da-ba-da-ba-da. Oh, but you can't. Ah, I see. Right. I guess it's case sensitive. You never did the coffee run with Carl Cox? When was I ever going to do a coffee run with Carl Cox? When did I say I'd do that? Maybe I did. I honestly, I just don't remember. Maybe I did. Okay, so P-type. Let's just do a few more of these, and then I'll just test them out really quick. Yeah, because there's like a whole bunch of these I have to do still, but whatever. Unless... Hang on. Value out. Are these all the same? Value out. And then let me look at my buttons. Make sure those are... Yes, yeah, okay, they have no value outs. Fuck me. Well, I could put value outs in. Shit, this is what sucks about cloning things. Is once you do it this way, you're kind of fucked. Like, these have value outs, and they're all the same name, I guess. Value out, value out, value out. Because then I don't need these. So let's do this, / value out. This should be the same. What? Oh. There we go. Let me think of something here. Value 0. Or I could do dot par. I could do this. I could take this out and then do dot par dot value? Is it a capital V? It's a capital V. Yeah! Oh, no, that's only gonna... Yeah, that's gonna take the parameter and put it there. I don't want that. Shit. Hang on. Plus... Oh, man, this is a pain. Oof. Yeah. Fuck, that sucks. Yeah, okay, we'll do the value out. No, I don't want to... No, you can't do a two-string, because then it'll rename the channel operator label, right? It's a good idea, but... Honestly, this is probably a little better. Because I already used this value out for an override. You know what I mean? So if I go to parameters here, and then I view this thing, right, by itself, go to my fucking OSC, touchscreen output, see, that my value changes both ways, which is what you want. Yeah, that makes the most sense. So I have to add value outs to my other widgets. So for now, I'll just do the ones that already have the value out, and then I'll add it to my custom ones that I made. That's probably the best way to do it. So we have, oh, okay. Let me just document these really quick. So we have offset, ramp, forward rev. Then these ones I have to add. And we have p-type. And then we got a whole bunch of these too. CFX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have CFX. We could probably do that in one shot. 1 through 6. I'm gonna delete these. I don't know why they have ones after them. So RGBA. Okay, we'll just do the cube ones. Cool. I don't have to worry about that. I can probably just do it all from here. I don't think. What's this error? Do I have an error? What the fuck is going on here? Oh, there we go. So I renamed it. What? What are you doing? Why is it still reporting an error? Why is it still reporting an error? What is the error? There is no error. There's no error, but there's an error. Oh, attribute none-type. Has no attribute par. A slided up par value 0. Yeah, it does. Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck? Huh? Value out. How does this not have a value? I'm looking right at it. Value 0. This makes no sense. Oh! I'm looking at the wrong... okay. Yeah, I'm looking at the wrong fucking thing. These. I was like, where are these fucking errors? I didn't know they were on another tab. There we go. Stupid. Yeah, there's a debugger. But you could. There's breakpoints all over the place if something doesn't work anyway, so you typically don't really need it. Rob Marcus. Matrix widget should have linear mode for their OSC channel names. Yes. Ooh, it's closed. That means he did it. That's good. Okay. Cool. So now we'll just go and list all those variables. Come in. So actually, I'll just p type. So it'll be what? Oh, I'm fucking doing the wrong one. Hello? There we go. So that works. So that'll be the projection type. And that one's firing. Yay. Okay, we're making progress. So I'll do 6 for the effects. Alright. So I'll do 1. Well, I'll just do 1. I think it's C underscore FX1. And I did the wrong one, as usual. Wow. This isn't annoying or anything. Cool. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wish you could have the inspector on the left or the right. That'd be cool too. Too bad you can't do that. FX1, so I just have to change that to a 2, 3, 4. What? There's no FX4? Alright. 5, 6. Okay, so obviously those are named wrong. Oh, they don't have value outs. Oh, okay. They're right, they just don't have value outs. That makes sense. Because the first 3 do, but these ones don't because I have to put it in. That's easy to fix. I think I only have to do it to 1. And then the sliders. So there's 4 of those. Fuck, that scared the shit out of me. I was like, no, not again. RGBA. So we'll copy these, paste these here. We'll do C. Oh, for fuck's sakes. There we go. R G B A. Cool. So this should just work. Red, green, blue. A. Okay, cool. So let's just give these a name. C R. Cool. Red, green, blue, alpha. Oh, yeah. Was an attribute tied to the name you changed for the color. What? That's probably old. No, but I have to go into my master opponents and change those master. If I do this while this is running, I think it should just update it live. I think. Let me go to my master components and go to button, normal button, button toggle. What's the difference? Oh, yeah, I think it's just this one. So if I say chup, I don't know, if I make a constant maybe, and then call this value 0. Is it case sensitive? I wonder. Value out underscore. So we're gonna go value out. Then what if I unclone the button? Well, let me attach a value to that actually before we. Where's the rollover? How does that actually attain a value? That's a good question. Yeah, right. Rollover dot panel select. That's what I do for that. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna go rollover dot panel select. There you go. So now we have a value out for buttons. More importantly, are these gonna update? So if I go in here, go to our parameters. No, I need these to update real bad. Common. No, how do you update it? Come on. Oh, because it's not an output? Oh, right, it did do it. It just doesn't show it. That makes sense. Hey, there we go. Why is it 0, 0? Oh, because I did the name like a fucking idiot. Fuck you. Is that right? Yay. So we will do. Hooray. Of course, I'm going to have to rename all these values to the OSC tags, but other than that, it works. Wait, why is this? Alright. Okay, it works. Forward and reverse, we need those two. Oh wait, these are radio. Oh, okay, so it's going to be 0 or 1, really. Forward and reverse. Okay, up, dot, finish. What did I call it? That's a good question. Forward rev. Cool. So that's reverse, that's forwards. What's this one? Ramp? Yeah, that one's, I think it's called ramp. Let's find out. Oh fuck, I'm already in it, aren't I? Shit. I wish I could go back to using multiple monitors. Oh yeah, we got sliders, so we can like manually control our clips now, and we can play them in forward or reverse. We can change the sub looks. We can set it to RNG. It's pretty nuts. Anyway, I have to get that value. Where is it? Ramp, I think I called it, or something. The fuck is it? Oh, funny that. I called it ramp. Of course you did, you fucking idiot. Do I already have a forward and reverse in here? No, I don't. Okay, cool. So we'll copy that, paste. We'll give this a value of ramp. So this tells us where our ramp is at. Boop, 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 boop. And then we need offset, right? And I think it's just called offset. Then I have to rename all the OSC tags too to get it to cross-communicate. Oh, did I write ramp in my note? Oh, look at that, I did. Yeah, okay. Well, I don't even need this anymore anyway. Cool. So this is our offset. Lovely. They weren't 40 feet high, they were 16 feet high. And I still have them. Thought you should know. Look at that. Boom. So see my values change now when I flip the scene? This is the one to watch. So if I have an offset here, and then I go to a different one that has a different offset, then it'll update my touchscreen so that the fader jumps to position. Because otherwise the fader is going to be in the same spot. You can change a preset. The fader will still be in the same spot, but the data would have moved. So this needs to update. So we'll just say this will be 0, and then this will be like somewhere around 0.5, and then this will be 1. So if I switch between these three looks, now that preset updates. That's why I have to do this. You dig? Then these parameters have to get updated too, but that's easy. And so are these, because I didn't update these parameters, so they're sending back no. That sounds like it was not hard, but also not fun to code. No, it's not fun. It's just variable tracing, really. And then keeping it minimal, you know, because you don't really want a billion of these things fucking flying around, just clogging up memory for no fucking reason. Oh, RNG. We need that one too. So I'm going to take this C RNG. And this will indicate whether the RNG is on or off. RNG. And that's a toggle. But it already had a value out, so that's good. And then we need sub add and, well, no, we don't need to do these parameters. We just need to do the input of them because they're momentary buttons, they're pulses, they're not latch. So the display doesn't need to update for that. And I think that's it. That's all the parameters we have to publish. So what we should be able to do now is to translate this now back into OSC. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then here's my OSC, right? So here is Yeah, I know this is brutal, but this is my incoming OSC. So for the touchscreen, you're gonna see these values like move around, like you see here. Like, so this will be my offset parameter. Then it has to physically change the parameter and then log the output. So I don't think I could do panel select, believe it or not, for buttons. So let's just start with a radio widget, which is going to be here, right? Blah, 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 blah. So what we're going to do for that is we're just going to do a basic rename. Actually, I have to fan it out, don't I? Yeah, okay, so let's fan it out. And then we will hopefully get the right amount of channels. 1, 6, 7, 8. Why is there 8? There should only be 7. So 0 in 0 base, so it has to be 0 to 7, not 1 through 8. Wish you could rename these. Well, maybe we could do this. Okay, to touchscreen cube parse, and what was this? Custom pulse, I think. 0 / and then the value. And then we'll fan these out. Oh, rename isn't going to work until after you fan, so let's fan these out now and then rename. There you go. To 0 to 7, right? There you go. I think that's what I called it. Fuck, it better be. TS parse cubes. Oh, custom PU. Oh, this fucking application. Custom pulse. Yeah. I think I might just have to do that. No. Wait, where's my tag? Such a great question. Where did you put it? Is it here? Is it here? Is it perhaps here? No, those are the items. Here it is. Oh, it's, yeah, / 0 / then the number. Fuck. Oh, I don't have an OSC out. Well, there's your fucking problem. So, hopefully, this doesn't crash. It actually might. 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Oh, I don't think it crashed. Boom! Is it working? Don't know. Can't tell. No? What's 55, 66, 7? Okay. Do I have to always send every cook? No, that doesn't matter. TS cube parse. Is this right? I gotta trace the path. Oh, TS parse cube. Fucking Christ. I had the wrong order. And action. Look at that. Boom. It's updating the touchscreen now. Nice. Bidirectional control. Let's go. But the thing is, too, is this this might not update. Yeah, see what's happening here, though? Because it's not... okay, first of all, I have to shut off send every cook. We don't want to do that. That's nasty. Now we want to get it to go the other way. So to do that, we're going to go to... This is already set up, I think, right? Cube custom pulse. So to get this to work, I'm going to go... Oh, I could tie this directly, I think. So for the value... Oh, I need a bind, don't I? Okay, that's not going to work. Hang on. I think I have to do this with a bind chop. Yeah. So I'm going to bind that value. Huh. It's thinking gap time. Let me just do it in here first. So it'll be op, what, bind 1. What channel? What's it called? Custom pulse. _0. Okay, whatever. Hey? Oh, bind, not bond. It's nice to meet you, Mr. Bond. Hey, look at that, bidirectional. Yes, sir. That actually works. Works pretty good. Oh wait, it stopped working. Did you see that? Like when I clicked... Huh. Was it just me? Maybe it was just me. Because it's still working. Alright, let's do a slider as well. So let's select the offset chop. I think it's just cube offset or something. Probably. Yeah, cube underscore. And we'll throw that into the bind. So this is, we need this bind chop in every set of parameters then. So then we'll go to offset. Why is this giving me an error? This should not be giving me an error. Oh, probably because of my channel number. Yeah, it's a false positive. Okay, where's our offset? Should be down here. So the offset, we're going to go to the value and we're going to go up. Bind 1 and then channel cube underscore offset. That should just work. Oh, see. I did it again. Bind. Bind, not bond. What is it doing? Oh, you can't have multiple chops in a bind? Really? Why not? Why are you able to put multiple channels into a bind chop? I think you need a bind for every one. Oh, wow, that's annoying. Unless, no. Yeah, why would you be allowed to do that? And now why does my other communication no worky? Wait, what the fuck? Why doesn't this work? Oh, because I was on the wrong... No. What the actual fuck? Let me get rid of this. How does that get broken? Cube. Okay, that's my output. Well, then where's my input? There we go. Yeah, that's weird. Why would it allow you to put multiple chops into next source 3? Yeah, that's really strange. So I can get my offset here, right? Which is going to be this slider. But why the fuck does it let you put 2 things in there? Or 3, you know? Is there like a channel pickup? What does that mean? What's the point of that? Oh. Yeah, that's weird. So if I go to the offset now, it's obviously broken, but huh. Why the fuck? I don't understand this bind chop at all. I know you need it to do like binds, but scope. I mean, the only other way is to like legit just dupe the bind and then do that, you know. Then go to our slider down here and say fucking bind to cube offset, right? Like this will work, I think. Or sorry, just offset for that matter. Right. So this works. Okay. But I mean, that just seems like kind of a waste, you know? Like, I don't even need these callbacks. Just sucks having all these binds everywhere, you know? What if I put the binds in the oof. Yeah. Malcolm's answering me now. I asked him, why are you able to put multiple channels into a bind chop? You can have multiple sources. Then it's broken. Because it only picks the first one. He says, because you can have multiple sources coming in. I said, then it's broken because it only picks the first ones. Do they have different channels or the same diff? They need to be the same then, huh? Yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah, so the bind will override it. The channels need to be the same. So, to get rid of this whole system from duplicating all the time, I should put the binds in in here. And then we won't have a big of a mess when that content starts to get duplicated to all hell. So the binds should actually go in here. So I'm going to need all these to be binds. Ugh, except for the items. Fuck that. I'm not even doing the items. So that's actually not that bad. The only thing that sucks is I have to fan out Is this a fan? No, this is a fan. No, wait, what? What am I talking about? That's the offset. Where are ones that I already fan? Yeah, these guys. Shit. Yeah, these ones. Sub decay, sub add, and RNG. I thought I could get clever with that, but I guess I can't because the way that that bind chop works. So I need to split this into 3 different things. Shit. Another fucking oversight. Sucks. There we go. That's fixed. This is so fucky. Yeah, fuck it. Bind. So we'll do this cube offset bind. So weird that you have to do that. Unless... Let me try something first. Yeah, let me try something really quick with the offset. Okay, so let's just do this up. OC dot up. Wonder if this is gonna work. Probably not, but let's find out. Up. Touch screen. / cube offset thing. No? Am I in the right path at least? You fucker. Wait. Did I spell that right? Capital T, no S. And cube offset all caps. Yeah, it should work. Fucking Christ, this is annoying. Okay, so let me do the bind now. Oof. Cube offset bind. Jesus. Get out of here. help.osc dot what? Tell me I spelled that right. How is that not the right path? For fuck's sakes. It makes no sense. OSC, touchscreen, cube, offset, bind. And it's bound. Am I wrong? I can't be wrong. That is definitely correct. The fuck? All next week. I think it's going to be longer than that. Pretty sure. Let me see what's happening here. Okay, so it's obviously like gone in its entirety. And then when I move this around, right, and that does work. This still works, I think. Yeah, that still works. What the fuck? How is this, let me just double check something. Oh! Oh, no. Let me see what this returns. This should return an object at an address, right? Right. So that's correct. So why doesn't it work when I bind it? Interesting. That's really weird. What's the error? Cannot bind to object. The fuck are you talking about? Why does it let me remote? Oh. Maybe it's because of that. No. This is really bizarre. So it lets you bind it if it's right there. I am an idiot. I am truly a retard. Look at, I forgot to add the channel. But it's not feeding back, which is fine. As long as it takes the input. There it goes. Okay, that's right. I forgot to add the channel. I was just referencing the object, not the parameter. Seemingly you have to do both. Okay, so there, we have bidirectional slider, maybe? Yes. Hing. Okay, now since it's bidirectional, it should also go out, right? This isn't a pain in the balls or anything, right? Where's my slider value? It's in here, right? So the content.fetch. Oh, yeah, that's right. I have to do this one. Offset value out. That's actually not what it's called, is it? Oh, it is. What's... There is no value out? Yeah, there is. So what's your fucking problem? Just do it. Oh, it did do it. Then I gotta do a big ol' rename on that. Right? To... We'll just brute force it really quick. So, should be TS forward slash, or is it forward slash TS or what? No, it's just TS parse cube offset, right? That's the OSC tag. What? Oh. I gotta merge this channel data. Here we go. Get in there. Not all of you at the same fucking time, please. One at a time. Yes. Dean, yeah, let's get the streaming going. Okay. Well, fucking streaming. Alright. I think I've got this licked. So that's one-way control, and I don't know if that's two-way control, because every time I click on that, it hides the UI. That's stupid. Two-way control. Yay. And then two-way control, I'm not on that because for whatever reason that just broke. Nice. Man, bidirectional control systems are not fucking pleasant, man. Because this application, the only way this application can even talk to this application is over OSC. But it's doing okay. I mean, that's pretty fucking responsive right there. It does work. So I'm going to actually just save this really quick. And then I want to load it and make sure it still works. We should play some video games, you know, just to keep it fun. Because I might need a break from this. Take my mind off shit. So let's just run some bullshit clock here. Hit F1. RNG still works. That still works. That. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, so this is going to be like my touch screen software running on the Surface, right? Nice. I only have 2 buttons working right now, but I mean, for example's sake, that's kind of all we need right now. This is good. And then it goes the other way as well, I hope. Let me just confirm that the other one's working. Yep. Oh, yes. Five years from retirement. Well, fuck, at least you'll still have a job when this is all over. Fuck. I might be bankrupt by then. I'll probably have to, like, fucking do some bullshit. Oh, I'm so glad this works. Cool. All right. No, I know. I appreciate it. It just feels like it when you. It's a bad day when you lose $6 million worth of shows. I'm just saying. I'm a little salty, but I'm not too salty because a lot of people are like eating shit right now. So it's all very relative. I'm just saying. Ugh. But good news is I own my own studio. I can work at home. I can make music. Do all sorts of shit. So it's not. Wait, what? The end. Okay. I'll be right back. I gotta use the washroom. Uh, pay-per-view. I don't think people are in the mood to spend money right now, to be honest. I mean, I'll do one for free, but let me think about that. The new Ori? There's a new one? What are you fucking saying? Wait, isn't Doom Eternal out? Doom Eternal's out tomorrow, isn't it? Oh, it's on the 20th. Fuck, I can't wait for that game. Remember how quick I rinsed fucking the last Doom? Jesus Christ. I fucking flew through that game in like, I think 4 hours or something like that. So it was like started out like as me enjoying a game and then it turned into a fucking speed run and then I'm like, okay, I'm beat it. Now what? I haven't played that game in so long. Kelly wants to hang out, so as you can see, I'm being very indecisive right now. Because I should probably go hang out with Kelly. Yeah, let's go see what she's saying. She'll probably be in bed like long before I get tired, so that's usually how it happens. And then I'll come back out and maybe play some video games or something. All Miami shows have now postponed and we have retweeted. Okay. So there you go. So the Miami shows are postponed. They're not like flat out canceled. As soon as things return to normal, or normal-ish, or whatever state it was in before this shit started, then we shall go to Miami. I don't know what part of all escapes you, but yes, even Miami Music Week. It actually comes under that same term, all. It's weird. Orders from above. What was it? I think they lost in a single day. Yeah. Live Nation lost 51% of its overall value in 2 days. That's all it took. That's a lot. Yeah. I don't even want to know what I'm losing. Like I don't want to know the exact figure. I refuse to let them tell me. New OSC pilot build is up. Oh, cool. All right. So I'll go do that. Look, I gotta go talk to Kelly because she asked me if I wanted to hang out, and I said yeah. And then no, she's not texting back, so I should probably get in there before she comes in here, and that's not good. All right, I'll be back.